Alright, so today we're going to continue our Kandinsky paintings. We already made some black marks while we were listening to music, and today I'll put on a little music. We're going to add colors. I'm going to choose only 4 colors. Just 4, no more than 4. Not 5, not 6, just 4. And add those colors to my painting. Now, you all have a bucket of magic water on your desk, one at each table, so that after you add the marker, it's going to turn it to pink. I'm going to start with my blue marker, and I'm just going to trace around beside some of these lines that I've made. Draw one here, draw one here, and here maybe. Here. One. Here. And then add some of my pink. Pink up here in this circle. Right here. A little right there. I'm going to add my yellow. Yellow inside this box and inside this circle. These two, maybe just a little right over here. And my last color I'm going to add is green. That makes 4, right? So I have blue's 1, pink is 2, yellow's 3, and green is 4. I'm going to put some green in this box over here. And see a little bit of green in this circle down here. That's probably good for right now, I think. Alright. So once I have all my marker on and I'm happy with that, I'm going to use my brush. Now, did I color in a lot of spots or did I just draw lines? Alright, I just drew lines. I don't want to color in this whole circle. Just want to draw it around the edge. And I didn't color in this whole circle. Just drew a green edge. And I didn't color in this whole space. I just drew a blue line, right? So I'm not coloring it in. Just drawing some lines. I'm going to dip my brush in some of the magic water. And I'm going to paint it right over top of my marker. Yellow is probably harder to see on the video, but it starts to spread my color, spreading it around. Choose a different color, it's easier to see for the second one. Oh, see how that yellow spread from just that line to spread out there? Let's do some blue. And my blue's turning to paint. Just turning to a little bit of paint there. Just going to pull it out down here a little, like that. I'm going to use some of my pink up here in the circle. Spread it around. I want to be really careful not to get my black lines with my brush. So if I do that, it'll turn my colors a little black. I'll darken them up a little.
Alan, do we need to rinse our brush when we switch to different colors?
Yes, we need to rinse our brush between every color. So every time that I'm switching a color, I'm dipping my brush in this side of the water and then I'm running it over top of this little ladder inside the bucket to help clear that out. And I just drag it along the side, dry it a little. And then I can go to a new color. I can do my pink over here. Spread it out a little. Let's see. Maybe my blue down here. Oh, that one spread really well. Must have had a lot of magic powder in that bit of water. Spread that one out. And I want to spread out every spot of marker that I added. I'm going to spread my pink out a little more. Here. I still have my yellow, my green to do over here. Spread this yellow a little. And this green. I just have some little blue and yellow left. And paint along this blue line, spreading it out. And this yellow down here. And lastly, my little teensy green circle. Alright. And then after I've finished spreading all my on the drying rack to dry, this actually I have two more up here, I didn't even see. I'll put it on that drying rack to dry. And then I can read a book on the art carpet or call Da Vinci from my seat. And I think those are the only two options for today. I don't think we'll have a lot of time. So, when I get my paper, I will begin drawing with marker. I will not paint until I've finished drawing with marker. At the end, I will put my paper on the drying rack. Then I can read a book or quietly dial Da Vinci from my seat. All right.